Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering fresh, vibrant leaves and cold-filtered water. This matters because chlorophyll is light and heat-sensitive. Wash leaves thoroughly to remove dirt and wax, then chop roughly. Put 1 cup packed leaves and a ½ cup cold water into a blender. Do not add hot water, which destroys pigments. Pulse at medium speed for 15-25 seconds to break cell walls and release chlorophyll. Once you have a vivid green slurry, move straight to the next step to separate liquid and solids. You now separate the green liquid from fibrous solids to get clear chlorophyll water. Pour the slurry through a fine mesh strainer or double-layered cheesecloth, using a spoon to press gently. Avoid twisting, which releases bitter compounds. If yield is low, return solids to blender with 2 tablespoons cold water and pulse briefly, then strain again. Once strained, let the collected liquid sit for a minute to allow tiny particulates to settle. You'll decant the top clear layer for smoother taste and longer stability. You finish by diluting the concentrated chlorophyll extract with chilled water, usually 1 part extract to 4 parts water, then taste and adjust. Pour into an airtight amber bottle to limit light exposure, label with date, and refrigerate. The mixture lasts about 3 days. If the drink smells off, tastes bitter, or becomes cloudy quickly, don't consume it. Restrain through finer cloth or restart with younger, fresher leaves. 1 quick troubleshooting tip. If bitterness persists, reduce pressing pressure when straining next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.